Hello and welcome to Intellify. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. Most of the synthetic fibers are made from polymers produced by polymerization. The polymer is a chemical substance consisting of large molecules made from many smaller molecules. Some polymers such as nylon are artificial. Proteins and DNA are natural polymers. The first fully synthetic fiber was glass. Synthetic fibers are continuous filament formed during fiber extrusion process at the stage of manufacturing, either dry or wet or melt spinning methods, which means the fibers come in long lengths. Synthetic fibers are manufactured using plant materials and minerals. Viscose comes from pine trees or petrochemicals, while acrylic, nylon and polyester come from oil and coal. Synthetic fibers are of four types, namely rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. Number 1. Polymerization. Number 2. Pumping. Number 3. Filtration. Number 4. Spinning. Spinning has three types: melt spinning, dry spinning and wet spinning. Number 5. Drawing. Number 6. Texturing, which includes gear crimping, stuffing, air jet and false twist. Number 7. Finishing and dyeing. Although synthetic fibers are the most attractive and common, on the other hand, it is also the most common fiber to cause diseases. According to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, acrylonitrile enters our bodies through the skin by wearing garments made from acrylic fiber. It is classified as a category 2B carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. Cancer has been mainly linked to exposure to cancerous aryl amines, which can be formed as a product of the division of azo dyes. Synthetic fiber industry is responsible for more than 20% of industrial water pollution in the world, because the production of these fibers requires a lot of water, and contaminated water is pumped back after use into the oceans, seas and rivers, causing serious damage to aquatic organisms. After knowing the chemicals used in the synthetic fibers from the beginning of manufacturing until the final processes, we should avoid these fibers as much as possible and encourage the reduction of chemical fibers and revive the production of natural fibers such as cotton, linen, natural wool and other natural fibers.